Hello guys, thanks for coming guys. Say hello. Hello, you guys can hear me? Check 1 2 3. Hi Ivan. Hi Jazzy. Hi Piski Pratama. Piski Pratama. Oh, I thought Saitama. One Punch Man. Okay. 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 I think already 6 people join us. Just join. I think 2 people just joined. That's right. Set up mic. No mic. No mic. Okay, maybe we can start. Right. So before we start, make sure you already understand. I'm not sure if you guys already watch my previous tutorial. Okay. Yes, Max Mike. Alright. Okay. So for those don't have part 1 source code, you can download it from here, or you can download from the in my video description. They got I already put a source code link. Okay, a source code part 1, so you can download from there. Okay, so for this one, for those not following my previous tutorial. Okay, so you can download it from here, not root. Okay. Okay, so this is the example, the live URL bar, and I think I'm not sure. This one I think cannot use. Okay, maybe you need to deploy inside your machine. We need to run it as localhost. Okay, so you can download it from here. Okay, so once you download, okay, Okay, okay. We do together. This one, right? So for those already follow, no need to do this again. Okay. Okay. So before that, make sure you have a web server. So I'm using mem. Okay. So open your PHP myadmin. Okay. I think they have a previous. Okay. Okay. This one I can take out lah. Okay. Okay. Go to this. Your PHP myadmin. And then go to create database page. Then we can name it as not crude. Not crude. Oh, not CDN. Okay, wait. Okay. So go to this page and then type CDN. Okay. CDN stands for I don't remember what's the full name for CDN. Okay. So what we're trying to do is we want to create a simple marketplace for freelancer, for those who want to SQL Pro. Next time, bro. Next time. This one for newbie. Okay. Right. So you can type CDN here. Create new database. Okay. So this is CDN. Okay. So once your database created, okay, then you can go to this my GitHub repo, then copy this SQL script. Okay. So right now we want to create a new table. Okay. So you can name it users. Hi Baron. Okay. So users table. So this is your user ID, username, email, phone number, skill set, hobby, that created, that updated. So these are your attributes. Okay. Once you done copy, then click go. So new table just been created. Okay. Alright. So next. Okay, next. Okay, download this one. Okay, can download. Okay. So this is your directory. Once you download, right? You download it, so that you can see the directory of Node group. Okay. Right. So open your terminal. Okay. Terminal or Sandy, whatever. Okay. So we want to go inside this directory. Okay, change directory into this directory. Okay, so cd, right? Then you can run node. Okay, sorry. Before you run node, you need to make sure you edit this file first. Okay, edit this file first. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. So once you open this one, you can this is my Heroku what we call the username and the database. Okay. So right now we want to run it as localhost. So you can type localhost. Okay, I think this is a default. Then username root. Okay, this is my web server details. So username root, password root. Okay, database CDN. Okay, database CDN. Then because I'm using Mac, so I need to use socket path, right? So I think this is for Mac and MEM users, right? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, just once you save, okay, therefore, okay, next part. Okay, next part. Okay, maybe we can try this one. Okay, once you download, don't forget to install the. You need to install all the packages, eh? Okay, let me try this one first. Okay. So there's a directory, right? Okay, for Node, for this project, I'm using Sublime. Okay, so once you I edited the details, right? Okay. Okay, sorry about the screaming. Okay. So, okay. So next, you need to install the npm package, node packages. Okay. So you need to type npm install. Okay. Okay. So once you run the npm install, you can run node index dot or index.js. Enter. Okay. So okay, database connection success. Okay, maybe we can try this one first. Okay, cannot get wait. Okay, so the path for, let's say I want to get the whole users, right? I want to retrieve all the records, so we can type users. Okay, so empty, right? Because no records in there, right? So you also can use Postman to test it. Okay. I think you guys you want to learn about the React, right? You need to set up this one first, Okay, so you can try this. Okay, wait. Users. Okay, so we can try this one first, Run on Postman. So empty, just empty array the response. Alright. Okay, I think you already successfully deployed your microservice, Okay, so I just call it this one as your microservice. Okay, right. So once, okay, I think let this run. Okay, let it run. Okay. Okay, so right now we want to create a simple React project, right? So I think for I'm not sure if you guys know why I likely to choose React. Okay, so I think they have a few reasons. Okay, so first reason, there are a lot of community support now for React compared to other front-end framework such as Angular and Vue.js. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, for second reason is React is more faster than Angular because it depends on Visual DOM, right? So it's not directly updated your DOM, and then it will make sure your app render the UI much faster. Okay, so compared to Angular, it's a two-way binding mechanism. So which is, if the model updated, then the view also will got updated. Same goes to view. If view got updated, Then model also got updated. Okay, right. And then the third reason because is for the first timer, for those guys learn about the React, right? Maybe the learning curve is quite high compared to the other front end frameworks. Okay, but once you um, expert on that on React, I think on the next projects will be smooth after that. Alright? Okay. So first timer will quite hell lah. Right? So once you always do some practices from day to day, okay, so you can become expert lah. Okay. So because my ex boss is said if you the more you don't know, the more you become expert, right? I think okay. I think it's enough for lecture. We move forward to practical side. Okay. Okay. So I'm not good in lecture people. Okay. I'm not on the practical part. Okay. So okay, open a new terminal. Okay, so make sure this one you let it run. Okay, so this one you can just let it open and run the Node.js. Okay, so next you need to install you need to install React. Okay, so npm install create React. Oh, create React app. Okay, so we set global lah. Okay, you guys have any questions so far? No questions? Wow, so many people watching but no questions. I think you guys genius. Okay. Okay, next. So next. Okay. Okay, I think that we can create a new blank project. So we can create a new blank project. Okay. So we can change the directory into your desktop, right? Okay. So desktop. Okay. So this your new workspace desktop. Okay, you can create React app. What we call it? CDN. Okay. So I name it this project as CDN. Okay. I think CDN company developer network. Okay. I don't remember the full name, but this is for a simple marketplace for freelancer, right? So what this marketplace can do, so the user can enter their details, can view all the freelancers, can update their details and delete the details, right? Okay, so enter. Okay, so see you have a new project here called CDN. Okay, you guys okay so far? You guys okay? So far so good. So far so good. Nice. Okay, guys, no questions. You can ask, huh? Don't be shy, eh? If you don't know, just ask. Ask the install. Okay, install. Okay. Okay, I think there's some of you guys still installing, right? I think it's the internet connection. Okay, maybe I get some drink first while waiting this one to finish. Okay, so you guys hold on, eh? Just a few minutes, maybe two minutes. So how are you guys? What are you guys doing during quarantine period? Sleeping? Development. Wow. Good money, eh? Good money. Check money still coming in. Even COVID, right? I think tech, IT industry not got affected, right? I didn't say it got affected, but not really bad as other industries are like oil and gas or tourism, right? Oh, Akta Power. How to um, pronounce your name? Akta Power, Akta Tau. Nice name, huh? Doing IoT stuff. Sometimes create Snapchat filter. Wow. So you using OpenCV or TensorFlow? That one? Create Snapchat filter. Not bad, not bad. As long as can make money, right? Okay. So once done, effective 50% binary pattern study. Yeah. Okay. But our industry is not really bad, right? I think 50% okay lah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay. Go to CDN. Wait. Oh yeah. Go to CDN. Okay. We want to try first. Okay. Okay. Try this one first. Okay. Change directory. Then we want to review. We want to test this project either success or not. Okay. So how to do that? So you can type svm start. Okay. So wait, it's compiling. Okay, would you like to run the app for on another port instead? Yes. Okay, because not using the port the same port 3000 Okay. I hope I hope it's success. Okay, still loading. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, nice. See how this if okay, this is the logo. So it looks nice, right? Yeah, same port, right? I think can change the port. Yeah. Yep. That's correct. Yep. It's a good advice, Hijazi. Okay. So this guy, Hijazi, he also expert in mobile app development. So maybe you guys can make friends out with him. Okay. So he run IT software company in Malaysia. Okay. He's one of top of company. Yeah. All right. Okay. So free advertising. Right. Okay. Once done. Because this for the editor, I'm using VS Code. Okay, so I'm not using Sublime. But it's up to you guys, right? It's up to you guys. Okay, open. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. We take a look. Okay, this is your node modules. Okay, this is your public folder. So where the icon, the root file. So let's say for HTML, index.html, right? Okay. So usually it will use this tag to change the page, right? So as you can see the ID root right here. Okay. So I think never mind this one. Okay. So source, I think this folder is the most of the time we will spend. Okay. So let's say if you want to update your app.js, or maybe you want to create a new component. Okay. Okay. Before that. Before we doing the React.js, so you need to understand the there are some terms about this React thing. So you need to know what's the component, what's the uh, state, props, state, okay. So let's say if you got any question, you can ask. Alright, so okay, alright. So I think I will explain lah. I think no need to explain because this one just straightforward. Okay. Okay, I just explain a little bit. So this is your app.js, your component. Okay. So this is just a simple component, not class based component. Okay, because no class. This is not class component, just a simple component. So as you can see, there's an app component. So inside, we call it. So let's say in this one, right, the return here, it shows a JSX. Okay, so JSX is a JavaScript expression. So which is we need to the syntax similar to like XML, which is if you declare open tag, you need to have a close tag. So if you not doing that, your app will error. Okay, so let's say so div this one you open, then you need to close with div. Okay, so this is your app component. Okay, we want to remove it, some of it. Okay. Okay, you can remove this one logo. I think we don't want use logo here. You can take out. Okay, also with this one. Okay, and then we can remove all this. Okay, until show like this. Okay, save. Oh, okay, sorry, small, right? Okay, I think it's showing like it shows like this. Okay, right? Okay, save. So this is a empty page. Okay, so once you save, you compile and then show a new the latest one. Okay. Okay, as you can see, if you declare a component, so you need to export this. Okay. All right. Next. So next we need to install Bootstrap. Okay. So this is why I love VS Code. So you can download directly through terminal. They build it inside this VS Code. Okay, you can try this one. Just try. Follow me for this one. So save. Bootstrap. Okay. Yeah, installing. So actually it's a the wait, guys. Okay. So let's say you can create as many as you can, as many as you want the components. So you can build any block. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure this tutorial I will show about the state and props. I think props. I'm not sure. Maybe we can try this one first. Okay. 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 Next. Okay. I want you guys go to this page. Okay. So React Strap. Okay. So we use this React Strap. Okay. You can copy this one. Okay. You can install all of this. Then enter here. Okay, this is a documentation. You can read it from here. Let's say if you don't understand. Okay, I'm also not really 100% remembered, so that's why we as a even a good developer, senior developer, need to refer documentation. Okay, so because this documentation is developers best friend. Okay, still installing. Okay, you guys don't have any questions? You can ask. Okay, while waiting for this one, I think my book's quite old, so I think this Mac. Okay, because I'm planning to buy a new MacBook after this. So you know, this is my OS High Sierra, so 13 inch, mid 2013. It's quite slow, 4 gig RAM. Okay, that's why very slow. So I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can suggest me what maybe MacBook that's suitable for development. Okay. I don't know you guys if you guys using MacBook or not. Okay. So maybe some of you guys prefer using Windows or Linux. Maybe Linux, open source, right? Okay. Okay, you guys too serious, huh? Good. Come on. You need to YOLO. Okay, you only live once. You need to be chill. Don't stress. Okay. Oh, MacBook Pro 16. Wow. Wow. MacBook Pro 16 inch. So MacBook Pro, how much that one? Okay, how about the others? Okay, you guys okay? Okay. Oh, guys. Okay, done. Okay. So you guys still installing or what? Guys, okay guys. Okay, Ivan, okay, Ivan. Pisky, Artak Power. Okay, guys, you guys okay? Okay. So we can open index.js. Okay. So later on we will add Bootstrap. Okay, we will import Bootstrap here on this inside index.js. Okay guys, maybe I give you a few minutes. So let's say if you want me to proceed, you can say yes. Okay. Comment yes. Okay, type yes. Okay. Because I think you guys still struggling, right, to install all the libraries. Just chill, man. Chill. Okay. Just chill it out. Okay. Oh, I think I just noticed this one, right? They have a React strict mode. So, okay, I want to explain about this one. Okay, so inside your index.js, okay, you need to understand what's the React DOM. Okay, so React DOM is a kind of glue whereby if you notice, there are two parameters here. Okay, so for first parameter for this one, React strict mode app, right? So this is what you want to render. Okay, for first parameter. So second parameter, where you want to render. So where you want to render, document.get element by id root. So where the question is where. So where will install is will render inside this page is id root. Okay, so what to render app this component. Okay, so this the output all right. Okay guys, okay, while I'm waiting for you guys installing, right? Okay, you can go to index.js, then import Bootstrap from here. Okay, you can import Bootstrap. Okay, this CSS. Okay, Bootstrap. Sorry, the main CSS. Okay. Alright, so once you're done, you go back to app.js here. So I think it's okay. So okay so far. Okay. Alright, give me a few minutes, this one. So actually it's just a crude app okay, for this marketplace, mini marketplace for freelancers. Okay, I think just a simple app using React. Okay, nothing much fancy, right? So maybe after this I will do the hardcore live streaming. I think lately I just do the just a simple live streaming, a simple we call it simple tutorial. Okay. Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys to ask any questions. So if you don't have any questions, just let me know. Okay. So maybe I just explain a little bit about the React.js. Okay, I just do the intro briefing. Okay, so what's React.js is the front-end framework developed by Facebook. Okay, so you need to know. You need to set in your mind this React is just for view layer library. Okay, it's not to build um, a fully functional app. No, it's just a view layer library. Okay, you cannot build full functional web app. Alright. Okay. So why React develop? Okay, developed by Facebook. Okay, because you want to replace the complexity of two-way data binding. Okay, which is Angular. Alright, because yeah, you see, right? Let's say if you have a complex UI, right? So they have a lot of data on page changing over time. Okay, so you can the example you can check through Facebook website itself. So they have a complex UI. Okay, so they want to shift from the MVC mentality. Yeah. Okay. So I think there are a lot of companies using React. Okay, I think the obvious one is Facebook and Instagram. Okay, I think in Netflix also can using React. Okay, Ready, Sana. Okay, Khan Academy, Airbnb. Okay, Hi Boy. Okay, okay guys. Okay, so you need to know the pro and cons using React. Okay, so the advantages using React is using the declarative code, which is or we call it as predictable code. So you can understand okay, you can understand the syntax, and also it easily to mix HTML JS. So if we done later on we will do mixing between HTML and JavaScript. Okay, inside this component okay. And then the other advantages. Okay, the other advantage is there are no complex two-way data flow. Okay, so you just use simple one-way reactive data flow. That's why they call React, right? So it's more easier to understand. Okay, compare two-way data binding like Angular. Okay, so React is use less code. Okay, guys. Okay, I think I already mentioned React. So React is fast. Okay, in terms of performance, quite fast. Okay. So real DOM is quite slow. So just imagine you want to update right your UI from time to time. Okay. So you need to if UI need to be changed, so DOM also need to be changed. Okay. Okay. So using Visual DOM objects that enable fast batch update to real DOM. Okay. So React using Visual DOM. Okay. So compared to Angular, no. Okay. So that's why React is quite fast. Okay. So if you guys want to you want to do some debugging, right? So you can use React Chrome extension. You can go through here. Think from this page. Chrome extension. Okay, I think this you can use. You can install lah, right? So I have, but I just disable where I can enable this. So I can show like this. Okay. So if I go to this page, yeah, because it's just empty, right? No, it's just empty. Okay. I think I just explain a little bit about the advantages using React. So what's the disadvantages? Okay. So they must be good and bad, right? Okay. So React is just like I said, just for the view. Okay, so no event, no SHR, no data models like Angular, right? No promises. Okay. So I think is the learning curve also quite high if you want to learn React. But once you master, I think there's no problem at all. Okay. So I think for you know, right, React using JSS, right, JavaScript expression. Okay. But I'm not sure if React supported for IE8. Okay, I think it's the latest one is using Edge, right? Right. But I think they have libraries to support using the older browsers. Okay. So I think you should use React. Let's say in your future project, you can use React. Okay, because honestly, it's quite easy to understand. To read the code, it's quite not really bad in terms of to understand the code. Okay. Okay, in terms of performance, good. Okay, the learning, I think just for beginner maybe quite hard, right? But if you want to switching, let's say you already use Angular and Vue, right? You want to switch to React. I think it takes time, slow down back. Once you like it, I think you can do it much faster after that. Okay. Okay, you guys have any question? No question. I'm still waiting. You guys asking any questions? Okay, because I saw there are a lot of people watching this video, but no questions. At least say something. Okay, at least say something. At least I'm not. Yeah, I'm not doing this alone. Okay. Okay, sorry for there's some kids screaming tonight. Okay, this late night. I think late night. So I think 10 p.m. in Malaysia time. Okay. So boy Ijat, I thought you already retracted your message. Okay. Okay guys, no question. Are you serious? You guys seriously no questions? Okay. So maybe I can explain a little bit. What's the component? Right. If you don't have any question, I will keep lecturing you guys. Okay. Let's say no question. I will keep lecture you until I have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay. At least you typing something inside the chat box. You ask me something, so I can proceed to the next stage. Okay, to the next code. Right. Okay, so I want to explain just a little bit for component. Okay, so components self-contained reusable building blocks for web application. So it's a building blocks, right? Okay, reusable. So you can, let's say you have 100 pages, so you can reuse the component again and again. So React component are basically just idempotent functions. Same input produce same output. Okay. So they describe your UI at any point in time, just like a server render app. Okay. Okay. So you can use like you can render using render function. Okay. So once, okay, first thing you need to what we call it, this one. Okay, I think as you can see on my screen, it's a simple component, alright. Okay, so boy agent, alright. So this guy just save you, so we can proceed for the next stage. Alright. Okay, I will explain props after this. Okay, I think I just explain for component. Okay, so maybe we can proceed with this one. Okay, so you already install React React Stripe, right? Okay, so you need to import. Okay, import table button from React Stripe. Okay. Okay, if you're not using any libraries, okay, so the color will be dimmer like this. Okay, if you use this library, the React Stripe, let's say for table button, so the color will change into, this one looks dim, quite dark, so we should more flourish. The more looks more colorful. Okay, so inside, we call container. I think this one from Bootstrap, right? Container. Then we use table. Table, the head, tr, th. I think name. Wait. Go back to your, what we call this one, right? We want to we want to show username, email, what? Phone number. Is it okay? Username, email, phone number. I think username that and email lah. Okay. Username, email. Okay. Then actions. Okay. Right. T head. Then we do the tr, td. We try to put just dummy value here. Let's say I put my name, Node.89, td, my email, gmail.com. So this is my email. Search for action. So let's say you want to add, edit, and delete button. We can put it inside there. Td. what we call TD and okay, so button color success. Okay, this one for thing for React strap. Okay, size. Okay. Then see. Let's say in red, right? So if you didn't close, you didn't put the close tag, right? So you show an error message. Okay, because no close tag. Okay, edit button color danger size and delete. Okay. Okay, we can take a look. See, so this is how your output. Okay, so you guys can see on my screen. Okay. Okay, I got a new question from Boy Ijat. Okay, what is the differences between React Native and React.js? Which one better? I think okay, it's like it's like you compare with a passenger car with military tank. Okay, React.js, okay, React Native built based on React.js. Okay, so React Native is for mobile app. Okay, so React.js is a view layer library. So I think the question is not suitable lah. It's not a correct question. Okay. So React Native for mobile app, React.js for view layer library. Okay. So you guys understand, right? So you cannot compare these two. Okay. It's like orange and apple. Not orange and apple. Sorry, orange and apple is same fruit. Not same fruit. I mean, it's in fruit category. Okay. If compare like passenger car with military tank, the concept is still a car, but the usage of each part is quite different, like React Native and React.js. Okay, so you need to understand. Alright, so maybe we can. Okay, can we proceed with this one? The coding part. Okay, you guys any question so far? No question. Okay, I can proceed. I proceed. Okay, so okay, okay, we still stick to this script. Okay, this what you call app.js, right? This component Okay, we call it as component. Okay, I already mentioned before, this is a simple component. Okay, we need to change into class base. Okay, how to change into class base? So class base must have what? What class have? So class must have a constructor. Okay, you need to have a constructor. So class. Okay, so we're not using app yet anymore. So using class app. Okay, then extends React dot component. Okay, like this. Then we close it like this. I think you can close. Okay, you guys understand what I am saying right now? Because in programming, right, sometimes not always you need to, even you good in technical, but in the theoretical part also you need to to master, because if just focusing on technical, sometimes you do the code but you don't understand what actually you're doing right now. Okay, so you need to have any deeper understanding about how it works. Okay, so before that, I think render this one, return this, you need to put render, okay, and just uh, follow me like this. So you need to have constructors because this one is class based, right? Okay, so class based, then you need by crew you need to have super, okay, but okay for JSX, right? Okay, so this one is a JSX, okay, and then in React you no need to worry about if you forgot to put semicolon. You don't worry about it. So no need. If you don't have the semicolon, you still can you can run the code without any issue. Okay. Okay. So before I proceed to this one, I want to explain just a little bit of props. Okay. So I want to explain about props and state. Okay. So okay, just a simple explanation about props. Okay. So props, let's say you have parent component and child component. So this one your just imagine this is for your parent, right? So I need parent components. Then I will create a new child component. Okay. So the value inside your parent components will be passed into child component. So how I can pass from parent to child? So we need to use props. Okay. So props can be represent data for the component. Okay. But what? Okay. I think you have any you guys must be have some question, right? Okay. What's the differences between props and state? Okay. So like I said before, props you can pass from the parent to child, the data. Yes, the data. But state is represents internal state of the component. So state just happen inside only in that component. You need to remember that. Okay. So let's say component state data change, right? So the render markup will be updated by re-invoking render method. So you will trigger the render function or method. Okay, so you can access via this state. So that's why I need to explain just a little bit for what we call the React, the props. Okay, before that I explain component, right, and props and state. So right now we need to initialize state. Okay. Okay. So I think not task users. Okay. Okay. So this your state users. Okay. Okay. So you see they have a error there, right? So you need to change the return here. Okay, you need to create the. Okay, I think the render you need to put. Okay, you need to change like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry for the screaming. Okay. There's some kids screaming inside my house. Okay. Okay, I think you need to close. Okay, this one. Okay, I think I'm not really remember this one. Okay, let me let me think first. This one, so maybe you can put return here. I think not this one. Okay, so you can put return. Okay, inside this. Okay. Yeah. Well, my memory is not good. I need to try to remember. Okay, and close. Wait. Okay. Okay, so correct, right? Try to use render return. Ah, yeah. Render, yeah. So this one, sorry, render. Because I not really remember this part because is I want to change it to class base, right? Okay, so return close. Oh, all right. Okay, thank you guys. Render, right? Okay, correct or not? Return div. Okay, I think it's not sure if I can close. Okay, correct. I think it's correct. Okay lah. No error, right? Okay. Okay, so far so good lah. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so next we will use Axios. Okay, not Axios. So we want to do the request and return the response. You can use Axios. So we can communicate with this our API. Okay, our microservice. Okay, so you can install npm install Axios. Okay, open your terminal. npm install Axios. Okay, you guys got any question about component prop state? I think I'm sorry I cannot show some example for props, but you can refer to my other video. I think last time I show some as an example for props. Okay, but for this tutorial just component and state. Okay, so once you done install, okay, you can import Axios. Okay, so you can import it here. So import Axios from Axios. Okay, then we need to create two functions, two methods. Okay, two methods. Okay, load user. Okay, we want to load user. Okay, so Axios dot post. Okay, so we using post method. Sorry, post or get. Okay, I think get. Okay, so get. Then we can copy this URL. Okay, copy this URL, paste it here. Okay, then response. Okay, oh god. Okay, So we will use big arrow function. Okay. So this part of ES6 standard. Okay. So response. Then you need to okay. I think you need to do like this. Okay. Then we call this set state. Okay. Then users, this one users, right? Okay. So response the data. Okay. Okay. So we want to call, we want to call the load user, right? So we can call the component will amount. Okay. So this part of React lifecycle. Okay. This dot load task users, load users. Okay, I think this one okay, we got error. No error. Okay, we got no error. Okay, I think is okay. This one. Okay, we try to console the log. You want to check either is it okay or not okay. Okay. So address. Okay. So empty. So let me try to put some inside PHP my main. Okay, maybe we can try this. Skill sets. Python. Ruby. PS4. Okay, so what you guys hobby? Okay, so try refresh. Okay, this is the data, right? So okay, right. So far it's working. Okay. Right, next. So what's next? Okay. So remember last time we do the dummy data, right? Okay. So we will change this into to the real data lah. Okay, so we can type users. Okay, we call this dot state. Okay, dot users dot map. Okay, so user. Okay. Okay, you guys can cut this one. Cut. Okay, cut and put it inside here. Okay, maybe put. Okay, like this. Blah blah blah. Okay. Alright. is acceptable solution, right? Okay, so we want to change this one. Task, not task, user, sorry. Because I'm always do to-do list tutorial, so just keep remember task. Okay, is actually user. Okay, user. Okay, so user. What's the user ID, right? User ID. Okay, user ID. Okay, you need to keep doing until like this one, user dot username. Okay, and user dot email. Okay, save. Okay guys, I think you need to have to add this one. So key user dot user ID. Okay, then you can put task inside tbody. Task or users? Users. Always skip sending task. Okay, users. Okay, users. Whoa, what is this? Okay, what is the error? Line 29. Okay, they show some error here. Okay, so what's the mistake here? You guys can see what's the mistake, guys? Okay, I think you need to. Okay, we forgot to call return this one. Okay. Whoa, not like this. That's why it's show error 29. Okay. Everything like this one. Save. Okay. So I just successfully bind the data with the API. Okay, through using Azure. Okay. Okay, I think next. So what's next? Okay, next we want to create a what we call a pop-up. Okay. So let's say, right, so if I click, I will create a new button here, like say create new user, and then this one for edit user. So I want to create a new pop-up. Okay. So you guys have any questions so far? No questions? You guys okay? Okay. Oh. Okay. Guys, no questions, huh? Okay. So we are successfully created we just retrieve all the records. Okay, so okay, the error was solved. Oh, nice. Yo, Piski Pratama. Oh, Piski Pratama, you from Indonesia? Okay. Alright, okay, proceed. Okay. You know, last time I went to Indonesia. Okay, I went to like Bandung. No, first place Bandung. I went to Bandung, Jogja, um, Jakarta, and then Bali. Okay, you know, I think the most interesting place is Bali because yeah, kita bersaudara. Yeah, kita. Yes. You know Bali, they have a dance called Chat to Chat. There's some people dancing during sunset, right? Yeah. Chat. I don't know what's the song name. Yeah, it's quite adventurous, right? Okay. Okay, so we import this model header, model body, model. Okay. Okay, import this form. Then new state. So new user model false. Okay. So why false? Okay. So if false, the model will not appear. Okay. If true, the model appear. Okay. Oh, pecah dance. Yeah. They go cha. And then they step up inside the fire. What we call I don't know. There's some like quite scary. Okay. Okay, pecah dance. Yeah, pecah dance. Right. Okay, so component new task mode, component new user. Okay, toggle. Okay, we create new method. So new user model. Okay, so this dot set state. Okay, so let's say if the pop-up appear the model, right, then we can set true. Okay. So new user model true. Kecak dance, yeah, not pecak dance, kecak dance. Cak. Yeah. Kecak dance. Okay. So, okay, go to React Strap modal. Okay. So I think we have 3 things we need to complete. We need to create, update, and delete. Okay. So modals. Okay. So as you can see on my screen, you can copy this one. Okay, I'm not sure to copy this one or not. I think can try this one. Okay, let me test first. I think not this one. This one, no, this one. This one, no, this one. This one. I think this one launch model. I'm not sure is the correct or not. Okay lah, maybe we can try this one okay. So we can copy, I think from button until modal. Okay, copy all of this. Then we put it inside I think we can put inside thing here. Sorry, we need to. Okay, I think we can put inside. Okay, put inside app container, then paste. Okay, so this your. Okay, maybe I can close it. So this your full code Okay, okay. Remove this one modal modi. Maybe you can put test Wait. Test. Okay, save. Okay. Okay, for layouting, it's better to use the conventional div class name for Bootstrap style. Okay, I think which line? It is conventional class name. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we can show which line. Okay. I think React, yeah, they using class name, conventional name, syntax, right? Okay. Maybe you guys can show me which part, right? Okay. Maybe I just pause it first. Okay. Maybe Jazzy can show me if let's say some issue here, right? Okay. Okay. So, alright. So this. Okay. This. Can go toggle using modal. Okay. And then you need to bind. Bind. Okay. If not bind, so nothing will happen. Okay. So you can create add user. Okay. It's not a portable IC. Okay. Okay, maybe I will check later that one. Okay. Okay, so it's open. Okay, notice model. I think this one just can copy and paste this one because it's I think it's a repetitive work. I think this one. Okay, let me check first. I think this one can. Okay, this one I think toggle, right? I think the toggle, this one can bind. Okay, we update this one first. So this state the new user model, then we can place this one. Okay, not an issue. My general practice not using table or button, just using table. Oh, I see. This one, let's say if not using React right? Okay. I think no issue if you don't want to use React. Just this one just an example. So if you guys don't want to use React, I think it's okay. This one, no issue. Okay, so we proceed this one. Okay, class name. I think this one no need. This one no. I think this one can take out. Okay, so this class name one can take out. I think no need. Okay, so so toggle I think can can replace this one toggle. Okay, so modal title, add a new user. Okay, add new user. Okay, right, so modal body. Okay, and then the button. Okay, this one also can be replaced. Okay, no need to think too much about it. Okay, can replace, just replace. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay so far. Okay, so maybe you can try. I think I just save. Okay, try click. I hope can pop up. Wow. Okay. Okay. But I cannot close. Okay, because we don't have the close trigger, so we need to create new one. Okay. Okay. Go back to app.js. Okay. Okay. Go back to top. Okay. So right now, I'm planning to create a what we call a form. Okay, so you guys can add user, then update user. Okay, like text input right. So you can use input form group. Okay, label. Okay, I think import this tree. Okay. So next we want to create a simple form. A simple form. A simple form. Okay. Oh, we just 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. Go to modal body. Okay. Inside text, right? So we want to set form group. Okay. Then label. Okay. For username. Okay. So username. Okay. Then we set input. Input ID. Username. Okay. So input, then we can create a new one, form group. Okay. Okay, next we want to create for email. Okay, email. So email, input, what ID, email. Okay. So next, so what's next for email? Phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, phone number. Phone number. Phone number. Input. Okay. Then ID. Phone number. Okay. So next, what's next? So phone number, right? Okay. So form group. Okay. So phone number, skill sets. Skill sets. Okay, then input ID skill sets. Okay, quite tedious, right? Okay, actually I can do copy and paste, but no need. Okay, hobby. Okay, last hobby. Okay, so hobby. What, hobbies or hobby? Okay, hobby. Input. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, so username, email, phone number, skill sets. Am I right? Am I right, guys? Okay. Alright, so okay, I think this one you need to do something, change to add task. Okay, add task. Okay, add task, cancel. Cancel, add task. Okay. So maybe we can try. If I click this. Okay, hobby. Okay, label hobby. Oh, I didn't put. Oh, I need to put first, save. Okay. And I click. Okay, so we got add a new user, the title, username, email, phone number, skill set, hobby. Right. Okay, next. So, okay, go back to this. Go to inside your constructor. So we need to add this one. So new user data. Okay, user data. Username. Okay, we initialize. Okay, do then email. Phone number. Okay. Skill sets. Okay. Then hobby. Okay. I think that's all. I think it's okay, this one. Okay. Right, so go to new task model here. So okay, instead we using true, we want to change into this. So this dot state. Okay, state dot new model. Okay. So we will contradict. So let's say false, then true. If true, false. So then you can close, open, close the pop-up. Okay. Then we need to create a new new function, new method. Okay. Then use exhaust. Okay. So before we using exhaust, right? Okay. Open your postman. Open your postman. Okay. So okay. So we open back. Where's the sublime? Okay. So this one our node, right? Okay. So okay. I think okay for to create a new new record, right, for user. So we're using post method and then the URL user. Okay, we need to change. Okay, post user, no s then body row. Okay, we test it first. Okay, we test it first. So this one change to okay. Right, then what username, what username, okay, VV Yusof, okay, VV Yusof, huh? Okay. So you guys know who is VV Yusof? Okay. So email vv at fb.com. Okay. So phone number. Okay. So I not remember her phone number. So I just type Okay. Skill sets. Okay. So what's her skill sets? Okay. So skill sets, business, hobby. Okay, I'm not sure her hobby what. Eating Okay, I don't know what to put here. Okay, so we try to send. Okay, user successfully created. Okay, we refresh. Oh, okay, VV Yusof, VV at fb.com. Okay, okay. So our microservice workable. So copy this, add user. Okay, so inside add user method, can try yesios.post http. Okay, so we want to send the request, right? So we can put it inside here. User data. Okay. Then let users this dot state. Okay. So this dot load user. Okay. So once data created, then we call load task to get a latest record to retrieve all the records. Okay. So this dot set state. Okay. So once load, then we clear this the new task data. We just initialize to empty. We clear all the values. Okay. Okay, call users, new task model, false. Okay, new task data, username, okay, email, right, then phone number, skill sets, then lastly is hobby. Okay, so what's our next target? Okay. Easy, right? Okay, I think it's not completed yet. So we need next we need to okay, we need to go in form here. So maybe this one quite tedious job to update this one. Okay, before we go to the next, you guys any questions so far? Got questions if you want to ask? We almost done for create new record. Okay, new data lah. Okay guys, you have any questions? Maybe I want to take a drink, a sip, maybe 2 sips. So if you don't have any question, you can say pass. Okay, so I can continue for the next part. Okay guys, you guys okay? Chill guys, chill. We're almost done. I think in 30 minutes 30 minutes or 1 hour we can finish it all for this. Okay. Oh, you guys want me to continue lecturing? Okay. Okay. So, all good. You may proceed. All right, Ivan. Ivan Petrovic. You from where? You from Russian? Are you Russian, Ivan? So, Ivan Petrovic. You have a good name, huh? You know, Ivan. I play. Before this, I play Red Alert. So there's a guy inside. Oh, Europe, Serbia. Oh, so they have a name called Ivan. So I think this is they have a US and Soviet Union, right? I think Soviet Union. Alliance and Soviet Union. So, but I likely to play not a Russian. You pronounce it good. Ivan Petrovic. Yeah, nice name. All right. Okay. All right. So, okay, go to this form. Okay, this one you need to do some changes. It's each input you need to do some changes. Okay, so let's say for this one, value. Okay. I think no need this one. I think this one. Okay. So this dot state. new task data dot username. Okay, so we can create multiple on change. Okay, on change. Okay. Okay. So we can put it like this. Okay, let. Okay, so you know why I'm using let, right? So there's a difference between let, var, and constant. Okay. So I think I no need to explain why I put let. I think you guys more expert than me. Right. So new task data. User data, task data. Then this dot state. Okay. Then new user data dot username. Okay. Target dot value. I'm not sure if wrong. I'm not really remember this one. So please correct me if I'm wrong. So new user data. Okay, is it correct this one? I'm not sure. I assume it's correct. Okay, so value. So this state new user data, the username, then on change. So let's say change it, they got change, then let new user data. So this state, then new user data username, then we pass the target value to data dot username. Okay. Okay, then you need to okay, because I'm quite lazy, so I just copy this one, just copy. Okay, then I paste. Okay, paste it here. Okay, it's okay. You copy and paste as long you know what you are doing. Okay, so email. Okay, new data, email. Okay, email. Okay, so I already changed this. Okay, then we go to the next part. Okay, for phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, username, phone number, then phone number. Okay, then go to the next, skill sets. Okay, skill sets. Okay, then go to the next, last. Okay, hobby. Okay, hobby. Okay, save. Okay, it's quite easy, right? Copy and paste. Okay, so we try to create new user. Okay, add new user. So username, what? What's the username? Okay. Hideo. So email hideo at what? Gmail. Okay, phone number. I'm not sure what's the phone number. Skill sets. Game development. Okay, hobby. Okay, task. Okay, I hope it's working. Whoa, why I close? What? What? Okay, wait, try again, try again. It's not the value still there. Okay. Okay. I hope. Okay. Why I task? I sometimes quite. Is add user. Okay. Add user. Right. Okay. Okay. This one. Video. Video Gmail. Kaki goreng. Oh wow. Okay, add user. Okay, nothing happen. Okay, nothing happen, guys. Nothing happen. Oh my god. Okay, I think there's some slight issue here. I think no function. Why I didn't add user? Okay, you guys didn't. Um, you didn't say anything about this, huh? Okay, that's why we got some issue. We need to add task. Add user. Add user. Yes, add user. Okay, you guys. I think you guys cannot uh, run right. Okay, you need to add user. Okay, you cannot simply like just because as you can see, right, they is using to toggle new user modal, so you need to change add user. Okay, save. Okay, this why nothing happen. Okay, so add user. What video? Add user. See? Okay. So I just successfully created a new record. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. No issue at all. Huh? Alright, next. What's next? Okay, we want to edit. We want to edit user. Okay, so edit user, then we do the delete user, then we finish. Okay, before that, okay, maybe do some change here, right? Okay. So, okay, but okay, you can put okay because the buttons quite not really nice. Like if you like this, so you can do like h1. What? Okay, cdn. Okay. Right, so go back to app.js. Okay, we want to add for edit user data. So you just copy this one, then create new, then and edit. Edit user data. That is. Okay. Okay, once you done for this, you need to okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, you guys okay? Guys. Why so silent? Is it silence golden? Silence golden. Okay. Right. Okay, maybe you can so this one okay, we want to add new modal so edit user modal false. Okay, then you need to add I'm okay. Nice. Okay, so this one you can create new method, toggle what call edit user modal. Okay, so this set state, so new edit modal. Okay, this dot state dot edit. Okay, so once you done, you need to add a new method. Okay, edit update. Okay, update user. Okay, so we can try update so open your microservice here. Okay, so update, I'm using put method, then the URL be user. You can test so put user, it is correct, this one URL. Okay, we add what, so VV Yusof, I want to update her hobby eating to sleeping. Okay, so number the ID, user ID 2, right? Okay, so user ID 2. Okay, so eating to sleeping. Okay, so okay, user already updated. Okay, so this one eating, right? So I refresh, sleeping. Okay, correct. Then we can proceed Okay, copy this one. I think similar to create new user, but the differences is we using put method. Okay, so update user let what we call okay, user ID, username, email, phone number, what phone number, skill sets, hobby. Okay, then this dot state dot edit user data. Okay, then exhaust dot put. Okay, put method, right? Then using this URL. Okay, so we want to send the request, right? So the request will be like this: user ID, username, email, phone number, skill set, and hobby. Okay, so then response. Okay, and this so once you updated, then run load user. Okay, then we set this state. Okay, edit task model. Okay, false. Then we know it's closer. Okay, false. So edit user data. Okay, then set user ID. Okay. Sorry, I think it's a problem here. Okay. Let us finish this one first. I'm not sure user ID you need to put inside state. Yeah, I think we need to put inside state. Okay. So let us finish this one first. Then we add inside edit task data with user ID. Okay, user ID, username, email, what? Phone number, skill sets, hobby. Okay, so next you need to add user ID inside your edit user data. Okay, so user ID. Okay, we need to initialize this one. If not, you will get some trouble after this. Okay. Okay guys, okay? Okay, I think so far so good. Okay. I think so far so good. Okay guys, do you have any questions so far? Okay, Ivan, okay. Okay, so we need to add a new method Now we call it as edit task. Okay, so we can create new. Okay, so what's the difference between update user and edit task? So at this edit task method, when we click the what we call when we click the button that trigger edit task, it will load all the values from the database. Then once the user updated change the data, let's say update, right, but didn't click the update button yet. So when user click the update button, automatically will trigger update user method. So that's the difference between these two. Okay, so you already done for update user, right? So we need to add edit task. Edit user. Okay, so user ID, username, okay, email, what we call phone number, skill sets, and hobby. Okay, so this you have 6 parameters, eh. So this dot set state, edit user data, okay, and I think we can copy this one, okay. Okay, I think not this one. Edit user data. This one like this. Okay. Then you can wait. I want to show this one. Okay. Right. So edit task. Yeah, user model. Okay. This dot state dot edit task model. Save. Okay. So once you done for this, so go to, okay. So you need to go inside here. So the button here, this one, right? So you need to add edit user method. You need to trigger that. Okay. So if you not set this one, so later you get some issue after this. Okay. Okay. Because if I click, right, nothing happen, right? So we need to add some trigger. Okay. So on click. Okay. So on click. This dot edit user dot bind. Okay, then this dot, okay, I think no need. So user dot user ID. Okay, user dot username. Okay, I think it's quite long. We can put it like this. I think it's okay. User dot email, user dot phone number, user dot skill sets, user dot hobby. Okay, I think it's okay. Save. Okay, once done, go to this page and click. Okay, nothing happened. Nice. Nothing happened. Okay. So let me check. What's the issue here? Okay, nothing happened. If I click edit. So what's the issue here? So you guys, you know what's the issue here? Because I'm not sure which part. On click, okay, I think it's this already correct. So because I already bind now. Okay, if I didn't bind, I think got some issue here. What do you think, guys? Guys, I think the endpoint for edit using parameter. The endpoint using parameter. Okay, let me check. Okay, so you guys notice some issue here. Okay, so let's see this one. Yeah, this one already called user.user ID. Okay, so let's say if I right click here, right? So I inspect. Okay, nothing here. Okay, so because not updated. So this one update. Okay, because nothing happen. You see if I click. Okay. So squad. Check the endpoint. You mean the API endpoint? Because this one we want to trigger this function, this method edit user. Okay, so edit user. We want to trigger this one, edit user. Okay, we're not using this one yet. Okay, for update user, no. We want to trigger edit user. We want to okay. So we want to check console.log. We try to check, right? Okay. We try this. Okay, maybe I click. Okay, see, it's trigger. Okay, but it's nothing appeared. Okay, so you already called this one, but nothing appeared. Okay, what's the issue here? What's the issue? Okay, see, I think you can detect, but yeah, like I said before, it's not fully 100% triggered. Okay, and the endpoint user or users is user. I think no. The problem is okay. We not trigger this method yet. Okay, this one once the pop up, then we trigger this one. But the problem is we want to show the pop up first. So if show up the pop up, we need to call this one first. This one later. Okay. So let me check this one. So edit user model. Okay, it's quite fishy. Yeah, this one's I think it's a quite weird. It's not appear. It's not appear. Okay. Supposedly to show not just yeah. You do you know guys? Okay, I think it's a silly mistake here actually. Okay, so actually we have done this one. Okay, there is no edit model yet. We need to build edit model first, then we can show the pop-up. Am I correct? Right. That's why there are no pop-up.